Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn the difference between lists and tuples in Python. Both lists and tuples are used to store multiple values in a single variable, but they have some important difference. First difference is brackets and list use square brackets. Example you can see in the first slide like numbers is equals to square bracket 1 2 3 and square bracket, so tuples use round brackets. Example numbers equals to round bracket 1 2 3 round bracket. And second difference is mutability. Lists are mutable, which means values can be changed. Tuples are immutable, which means values cannot change after creation. Example of list data equals to 10 20 and 30. At data at index 1 is equals to 50, and the output will become 10 50 and 30. The value changes successfully, but in tuples this modification is not allowed. So remember one thing, list is equals to mutable and tuple is equals to immutable. More difference and uses of list versus tuple you're going to see in the slide 2. So lists are slower compared to tuples because lists allow modifications. Tuples are faster because their values remain fixed. Lists use more memory, and while tuple use less memory. Lists are mainly used when data changes frequently. So examples for those lists are shopping carts, student marks, games, and to-do lists. So, tuples are used when data should remain constant. Examples days of weeks, months, coordinates, fixed settings, and database records. Because these data cannot be changed. So, another important point for these are lists have many methods like append, remove, insert, and sort. Tuples have fewer methods because they are immutable. Quick recap for this is lists use square brackets, mutable, and more methods can change values. And tuples use round brackets, immutable, faster, and fixed values. So today you have learned about the difference between lists and tuples, mutability concept, and their where they used and sorry and where they are used. So keep practicing and happy coding.